Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic accessory that can elevate your photography game, especially if you love capturing life underwater or close-up details. We found this product online and added a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Today, we're reviewing the OM System FD-1 waterproof flash diffuser, designed specifically for TG series cameras by Olympus. If you're an enthusiast of macro photography or underwater adventures, this diffuser is something you might want to consider adding to your kit. So, what exactly is the OM System FD-1? In simple terms, it's a specialized flash diffuser that attaches to your camera's built-in flash. Its primary purpose is to soften and diffuse the light emitted by your flash, creating a more flattering illumination for your subjects. This is particularly important when photographing close-up or underwater, where harsh shadows can easily detract from the beauty of the shot. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the FD-1. First and foremost, the improved light distribution is a game-changer. This diffuser ensures that your subject stands out beautifully against the background, without the harsh glare that often comes with direct flash photography. It also features a light intensity adjustment lever, allowing you to choose between high and low output. This flexibility is essential when dealing with varying lighting conditions, giving you more control over your shots. When it comes to illumination distance, the FD-1 shines as well. It effectively works within a range of 2 to 30 centimeters, making it perfect for those intimate close-up shots where you want every detail to pop. Additionally, if you're using the OM System Olympus LG1 light guide in conjunction with the FD-1, you can achieve even more versatile lighting options for your macro photography. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a nature lover, a diving enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys photographing small subjects like flowers or insects, this diffuser is made for you. It's also perfect for underwater photographers looking to showcase the vibrant colors and intricate details of marine life without the interference of harsh lighting. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're snorkeling in a tropical reef, and you want to capture the vivid colors of a clownfish hiding among the corals. With the FD-1, you can get up close without worrying about overexposing your shot or casting unwanted shadows. The diffuser softens the flash, enhancing the colors and details of the fish while maintaining the natural beauty of the underwater environment. Or consider a scenario where you're photographing flowers in your garden. The FD-1 will help you illuminate the petals beautifully, allowing you to capture the subtle textures and colors without the risk of harsh shadows ruining your composition. This versatility makes the FD-1 an invaluable tool for anyone serious about their photography. In conclusion, the OM System FD-1 waterproof flash diffuser is a must-have accessory for TG series camera users who want to enhance their close-up and underwater photography. With features like improved light distribution, adjustable light intensity, and a suitable illumination range, this diffuser empowers you to take stunning photos with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.